Well, I've talked a lot about
Yeah.
Cartesian because, again, we think in terms of Cartesian, X, Y, and Z, theta. And so Cartesian robots, how they benefit over, the SCARAs and the articulated arms, it really comes down to what you're doing. It used to be Cartesian robot was less expensive, considerably less expensive to construct than an articulated arm robot or a SCARA robot may cost. That's not the case anymore.
Oh.
The cost of SCARA robots and articulated arm robots have come way down. But there are things you can do with a Cartesian, faster, quicker, easier, smaller envelopes that you cannot do with a SCARA articulated arm. So it really comes down to your work envelope as far as considerations.
Okay.
But cost-wise, sometimes a Cartesian can cost more today than if you get to a 3 or 4 axis Cartesian, then a SCARA articulated arm would work or would cost in the same work envelope.